Today I will show you how we connect the sensor switch to the LED lamps. This one is LED downlight. And this is our radar sensor switch. Here are 4 wires, input and output. Let's begin. First, we connect the power, and then connect the output to the LED drive. Okay, turn on the power. It's done. With our radar sensor switch, the LED light can be a sensor lamp. It will turn on with motion sensor. And the lamps can be any type of energy-saving lamp or fluorescent or incandescent lamps. And it can connect 3 pieces lamps. The maximum power load is 200 volt. And the delay time can be adjustable in our factory. The sensor distance is 6 to 8 meters. Okay. Thank you.